Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening to all people around the world. Right now I'm here right in front of the gate of my boss house. I'm gonna show you this is the gate of the big house. So that's a road, and I'm gonna going back to the house. So this is the basketball court here. So this is the yard, front yard. And here on the right side. So I'm giving you guys a tour to the place I live, or to my boss house. This is my boss house. It's not my house. So I live at work, guys, like I always say. So this is the yard. So this is the whole house of my boss. So this is the main house, this one, and that's the garage. So we have garage over there connected to the main house, and here 3 garages. This is the upstairs. I live in the upstairs. I have bedroom there, and that's the office, of course, office, kitchen, and the bedroom that I live. So the garage that I clean up before. So let's go inside the big house. So we're getting inside. Of course, I'm gonna show you that I live here. Welcome to my boss house, not my house. So this is the inside. You see, guys, the big huge chandelier. So I'm gonna give you a tour here in the ground floor. So this is a meeting room here in the main house. That's the chandelier. There you go. Right in front the door when you get in on the right side. So this is the mirror, and another mirror. Hold on, I have to turn on the lights here. And this is the washroom, of course. There's a chandelier here in the washroom, and we have to go to this is the another living room here, facing to the ocean. So there's a big TV. This is a dog's room. So this is Dallas room, dog's room, and this is my boss room. So there's a big, and this is the big washroom, the master bedroom here downstairs. So two washroom here, and there's a washing machine and dryer here. So this is my boss. And there's a lot of chandelier here too. Let me turn on the light. So yeah, that's the chandelier here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chandelier here inside my boss room. And this is my boss closet here, and the safe lock, of course, also here. So a small closet, and there's another closet in my big closet in my boss room. So 2 closet, 1 big closet and 1 small closet. See, now let's go to the kitchen, because so that's the living room. A bar, a small bar here in the ground floor. And these are the kitchen, one kitchen counter, and this is the main kitchen here. There's a door inside. So if you are cooking the stinky food, you can just close the door. Yeah. And we have chandelier here. There you go. We have chandelier. And this is the boss favorite table, and of course it's another living room when you are watching TV. I turn on my YouTube channel here while filming. So this is the view of the ocean. So let's get out here. There you go. So this is the view here in ground floor viewing to the ocean. So it's very beautiful when you are here in the ground floor and you just view to the ocean. And let's go to the upstairs. So now I turn on the lights of chandelier. So let's go upstairs. See here. Oh, it looks nice to have a picture here. I'm gonna get a one picture. And let's go to the bedroom here. So this one, a bedroom here. And another closet here. And this is the washroom here. And the next bedroom is here, facing to the ocean. So this is another bedroom. And there's a dressing room here. So that's the dressing room. It's empty because nobody's living in this room. There's a TV also here. And here you go, if you're gonna drink wine, facing the ocean too. And there's a computer here. And this is the washroom. You have a hot tub here that facing to the ocean, and these are the lights here. So those are the lights. No chandelier here. This one is steam bath. You can do a hot steam here. Then next to the, so let's go to the other room. This is elevator. We're gonna go to the elevator going downstairs. So that's the big chandelier on the living room. So this is the laundry room. And another washing machine here. And the next one is another bedroom, third bedroom here. So this is the third bedroom. Yeah, choose shelves, another TV here. And there's a small patio that you can go out if you're gonna do a cigarettes, and facing to the street. And this is the closet or walk-in closet, and this is the washroom. So this, no chandelier here. So let's go to the next room. So next room is here facing. This is the master bedroom, my boss daughter's room. So yeah, this is big. You can put your kulambo. It's like a wedding bed. So these are facing in the ocean, and you can go out also from this door, going out, going there. So yeah, and this is the walk-in closet, and going to the rooftop as well. That area, you just gonna pull out the stairs. So this is the closet in this room, and these are the beautiful washroom and the chandeliers. It's more beautiful, the chandelier here, than my boss room, because that's the only bedroom in the ground floor. And steam bath also if you want a hot steam or bathtub. And also the toilets, you have male and female toilets here. And you have also the TV here. And you have all chandelier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 chandelier here in the hallway. plus the two main big chandelier right in front of the door, and the living room chandelier. Now let's go downstairs. We're going using the elevator. The elevator is gold color and maroon. Look at that, the design. Okay, let's go inside and put the number 1. You see, it's beautiful here. You can see your images, many images, side by side. See, here in the elevator is all gold and white, the color. And these are the push buttons here, going down, going up. So we're going to the basement. Basement is number 1, ground floor is number 2. Now we are here. Welcome to the basement. Right after the elevator, you have the washroom here. And there's a chandelier, a small chandelier in the washroom. We have to close that. Turn off the lights. That's going to the gym. And we're gonna go first to the bar. So we have bar here, and there's a chandelier in the bar, and also we have big TV here. So this is the big bar, and a lot of very expensive collection and boxes of liquor. And these are the, you have big TV here. It's me there. And you have poker table facing on the ocean. Here, living room. And you have the pool. If you play the billiard, so you can play the billiard. There's a light there. I couldn't turn on the whole lights. And you have gym here, facing the ocean as well. You can just, and that's, the outside is often used for the party during summer, starting from spring. So you just open the door, and there's a fountain there, pond and fountain. So the eagle always come here and do shower. And we have the swimming pool over there. Let's go to the swimming pool. So we have swimming pool here. You can just open that like that. There you go. I'm not gonna open the whole thing because I'm not gonna go swimming. I did already the, so that's the swimming pool. And this is the jacuzzi I used this morning. See the jacuzzi. So just showing you guys. And we have 2 TV here. One is small and one big. And there's a sauna here also. Dry sauna is over here. Here you go, the dry sauna. And there's another washroom here. Mirror over there, and mirror here. And that's the washroom. And let's go to the cinema. The next, so there's another washing machine here and another washroom. Sorry guys. So yeah, that's a washing machine, and this is the toilet. So this is a steam bath. So this is my boss' favorite washroom. Now let's go to the cinema. Here you go. This is the machine for the cinema, the controller for internet. So the internet connection is here. And this is the cinema here. So that's the, it's on. So you can sit 8 people or more. You can add more chairs here in the cinema. I like this painting. The cowboys. And there's a machine for games here. So this is the broiler room. The control for the water. So today it's my last day here in my boss house because I'm gonna be away for a few months. So I'm just enjoying myself in a jacuzzi. I'm enjoying alone. Sarap mag-jacuzzi. Over that outside is ocean view. So let's go to the office. So this is the first garage, my boss garage, favorite garage, the big garage. And this is the bin, garbage bin room. And this is the second control for the, and this is the office steps, the stairs going to the office, and this is the another garage, the 3 garage here, 1 2 3, and let's go upstairs to the office. So this is the office, my boss seat and his assistant seat, Norbert, and this Kuya Sunny table and Ate Sylvia. So this is the kitchen, the office kitchen, and my kitchen that I use. And this is my room. It's a messy, guys, because I'm packing my stuff. So it's really messy, a lot of mess. I'm not finished everything because I'm moving to States. And this is the washroom. So this is the washroom. No steam bath here. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye for now. This is the place I live. So a lot of Uber driver, they said, oh, you live in the mansion when they give me a ride. So thank you guys. Bye bye, because I have appointment.